When an electrical switch or receptacle box is located directly below a horizontal framing member, such as a Fireblock, and is within 8 inches of the top of the box, the question arises whether the hole drilled through the block is considered both secured and supported. According to standard electrical practices, the answer is yes. This configuration meets the requirements for securing and supporting the electrical box. Securing an electrical box refers to its firm attachment or structural element of the building, preventing it from moving or becoming dislodged during normal use. Support, on the other hand, pertains to the box's ability to maintain its position and bear the weight of any devices or conductors installed within it without setting or detaching. In the scenario described, drilling through the Fireblock to mount the electrical box provides both securement and support. The Fireblock, being a solid structural member, offers a stable anchor point for the box. The screws or fasteners used to attach the box to the Fireblock ensure that it remains firmly in place. Furthermore, the close proximity of the Fireblock to the top of the box, within 8 inches, minimizes any potential leverage or strain on the mounting, enhancing its stability. Electrical codes often specify requirements for securing and supporting electrical boxes to ensure safety and prevent hazards. These requirements typically address the type of fasteners to be used, the spacing between supports, and the allowable distance between the box and the supporting structure. In the case of a Fireblock located directly above the box, the code generally considers this a sufficient means of support, provided that appropriate fasteners are used and the installation is done properly. It is important to consult the relevant electrical codes and standards applicable to a specific location to ensure full compliance. These codes may vary depending on the jurisdiction, and it is the responsibility of the installer to adhere to the most up-to-date regulations. In addition to meeting code requirements, proper installation practices are essential for ensuring the long-term reliability and safety of the electrical system. This includes selecting the appropriate type and size of electrical box for the intended application, using the correct fasteners to secure the box to the Fireblock, and ensuring that all wiring connections are made properly and are well protected. When drilling through the Fireblock, it is crucial to avoid damaging any existing wiring or plumbing that may be concealed within the wall. A stud finder can be helpful in locating studs and other structural members behind the wall surface, allowing the installer to drill in a safe and unobstructed location. If there is any doubt about the presence of hidden utilities, it is always best to consult with a qualified electrician before proceeding with the installation. Moreover, when working with electrical systems, it is essential to prioritize safety. This includes disconnecting the power to the circuit before starting any work, wearing appropriate personal protective equipment such as safety glasses and gloves, and using insulated tools to prevent electrical shock. If you are not comfortable working with electricity, it is always best to hire a qualified electrician to perform the installation. In summary, when an electrical box is located directly below a horizontal framing member or Fireblock and is within 8 inches of the top of the box, drilling through the block is generally considered to provide both securement and support, provided that appropriate fasteners are used and the installation is done properly and all applicable electrical codes are followed. This configuration offers a stable and secure mounting solution for the electrical box, ensuring the safety and reliability of the electrical system. Always consult local electrical codes and consider hiring a qualified electrician if you are unsure about any aspect of the installation.